Welcome to the perfect bean Maid Café. Someone will be with you in a second.
Actually, Kenma, we're pretty busy. Can you take that?
Really? Me? But I don't really take custom...
Please!
Alright. I'll do my best, I guess. Welcome to the perfect bean Maid Café. My name is Kenma. I'll be taking care of you today, Master. Oops, Meowster. Please follow me. Here are your menus. The special today is... something cat-themed. Yeah. Oh, you're a regular, right? I haven't been around very long, but I think I've seen you before. You have a very, interesting face. Oh, not in a bad way. I just mean... Anyways, can I interest you in a niate? Oh, no? Coffee with cream? Do you want any sugar in that? Oh, yeah. We have flavored coffees, too. Vanilla and caramel. I can't really remember the others. I'm sorry. I'm not usually a server. Caramel's my favorite, though. I get extra whipped cream, too. If you want, I can make one of those for you. I'll do it myself, to make sure it's right. That's what you want? Great. I'll write that down. I mean... Nia. Thank you, Master. Here you are, Meowster. Careful. It's hot. Oh, you're going to try it right away anyway? You have some whipped cream on your nose. Here, I'll get it. Be more careful next time, Nia. Is that a switch in your bag? I have one too. I play a lot of games when I'm not at work. And when I'm at work, sometimes, to be honest. What do you play? Uh-huh. I play a lot of Smash, too. Maybe we could play together sometime, if you want. After work, of course. Or at least when it's not so busy. Although, if we're playing together, my boss might be okay with it.
Kenma, you better not be talking about playing video games on the job again.
I forgot how sensitive their ears are. Whoops. Nia. Can I get you anything else, Master? A slice of cake? Today's cake is strawberry. Is that okay? Great! I'll be right back with your cake. Here you are, Meowster. My feet are killing me. Do you mind if I sit down across from you? Great. If my boss sees me sitting down on the job, I might get in trouble, though. I've seen some of the other cat maids feeding customers. Do you want to try that? You don't have to. I just, you know, so that my boss doesn't... Really? Thank you so much. Just, open your mouth. And here you go. Yeah, I don't really get this, but it's kind of fun. Open up again. You know, I kind of like you. I feel really comfortable sitting here with you. Sometimes this job feels really fake and staged, but I don't know. I guess I just feel like I can be myself right now. Oh! My boss is looking over here.
Kenma,
Quick,
did I just hear you
open
turn
wide
on your
again.
video game?
Oh, you wanna rub my ears? Yeah, I guess you can do that. I mean, no one's ever asked me, but I've seen it happen before. Here, I'll just, look down and... Oh, that feels nice. You can play with my hair, too, if you want. But only if I get to play with your Switch. Really? Sweet.
Kenma, next customer is yours.
I'm doing work. I promise. Thanks for doing this. Today's been a drag. And these head pats feel really nice. What's your name? Oh, that's a cute name. I'm usually not very good at remembering names, but I have a feeling yours will stick. I'm Kenma, in case you forgot. Yeah, I guess you probably already heard that from my boss. I don't usually get yelled at this much. Well, actually, maybe I do. But it's mostly just for playing video games. It's not like I steal money or anything. I do eat cake between customers, though. But the apple pie is my favorite. I'm sorry. I guess I'm getting a little sleepy. Let me just rest my head against your hand and... That feels nice. You know, I'm starting to see why the other servers like their jobs so much. Oh, speaking of work, yeah. Sorry. We have a Nya quote to meet, you know. I guess I don't mind, though. I like cats. Looks like the cafe's getting less busy. Are you gonna stick around? Good. 'Cause I'm about to start the next level. And this is where the game starts getting good. Are you gonna eat the rest of your cake? Ooh, can I have it then? Sweet. You know, I'm glad you came in. Most other customers don't let me eat their food. If you wanted to come in again on my shift, that would be okay with me. Yeah, I work every Wednesday and Friday. What? You want to take me out to an arcade after my shift on Friday? Sorry, but I'm a streamer. I can't do anything on Fridays. Maybe on Wednesday, though. Or you can just sub to me on Twitch. Yeah. Maybe I'll see you in chat.
Kenma, next customer's yours.
Sorry. As much as I'd like to stay, it looks like someone else came in. You'll miss me? Sick. Here. I'll write down my Discord. You'll friend me, right? Maybe we can play games together sometime. Okay. I'll see you then. Thanks for coming in, Meowster? Nya.